Now in this video, I'm going to show you a strategy where you can earn just about anything you want to earn per day. You want to earn $1 a day or you want to earn $10,000 a day. That's entirely up to you. So if you're interested in a passive income, carry on watching. Now I've created this income calculator based on the websites that I'm about to show you. Now some of the information in here, if you're watching this video, may be blurred out because you need to be part of my VIP training group to get full access to all the details. But if you are in the VIP training group, well then you're going to see everything on the screen before your eyes right now. So let's have a look at the calculator first and explain what we've got here. So on the left hand side, this column A is all the website names that I use, and I've got a link directly to them. Now what I can tell you is none of these links are affiliate links. I don't earn a penny from you joining any of these websites and depositing any funds into them. The next column is column B, which gives you, at the moment, it's all set to 0, and you would put in the amount that you want to put in on that website. In this box here is going to add up what you've deposited across all of the websites, okay? So let's just show you what I mean. So if I pop in an amount in this one here and I put in $100, let's say I'm going to put in $100, you'll see straight away up here the calculation is automatically saying your total capital that you're using is $100. My estimated daily return on $100 is $4.08. And then if we look over here, it's saying if I'm earning $408 a day without compounding, this is not a compounding calculator. Obviously, your returns would be much better if you're doing a compounding strategy. But this will take me 24 or 25 days to actually get back my principal. After you've got your principal back, you could withdraw your principal. You don't have to wait that long. You can withdraw every day or every other day or once a week or once a month. It's entirely up to you. But you can decide how you want to build your income. And you say, well, I've got $1,000 and I want to put that into a few sites. So you could pick out the ones that are the higher returns. Obviously, you always do your own due diligence. There's nothing I'm showing you in this video is financial advice. So if we put $100 in a few of these, so now we're at $400, and we'll do one more and we'll say we're going in with $500. So if you had a working capital of $500, that's going to give you $315 a month. And if the market dropped by 50%, we went into a bear market, that's going to give you $157 a month. But that's with a working capital of 500. Well, let's say that you wanted to put in $1,000. Okay, so we're now going to put in 100 in that one. We're going to put in 100 in here. We're going to put 100 in here. What we're at 800 now. We'll put 100 in there. So there's still more that you can go into, but now you can see that your daily return has gone up to $24.72 at today's current price. Okay, that's giving you an income of $741 a month. We've got a working capital there of $1,000. Now, of course, you don't have to be a rocket scientist. If you wanted to put in 2,000, you're going to double your income. As you can see with these websites, you can earn a fantastic passive income. Now, if you're in my VIP group, you're going to get access to all of these websites. You'll get access to this calculator. So if you're not in my VIP group, then you'll find a link below this video, which you can click, put your name and your email address, and then I'll send you some information of how you can get into the VIP training group. So if you're in my VIP group, all you need to do is to click the links that are in column A, and it will take you over to each website. If you're in the VIP training Telegram group, then put your questions in there and I'll answer all your questions, and we'll do one-on-one training and give you all the training you need so you can get set up. But this is a fantastic little calculator to show you how you can earn anything you want, any amount of money you want. Okay, so let's just say that you had $10,000 that you wanted to put in, and you put $1,000 in each one. So now I've put 10,000 in. So that's going to give me a return of $247 a day. giving me a monthly income of 7,400. Now, my compounding strategy is to get you up to a fund of about $200,000. And you're only going to get that strategy in my VIP training. So as you can see, you can really write yourself a check for anything you want, and you can start with as little as $100 and start to build up your business, stay in your day job. Or if you're a bit more serious and say, well, I've got a bit more than $100, I've got $1,000, I've got $5,000, you can earn an amazing income. And you've got a passive income. You don't have to do anything really, apart from withdraw your money. As simple as that. Let me and my team teach you on how to have a real passive income where you can earn potentially thousands of dollars every single month, just like I am in real life. Inside my VIP training program, you will get access to live training. This is not video training. This is one-on-one training where you can ask questions and get the answers to all those questions. So in this training program, you'll get access to the VIP Telegram group where you can interact with me and my team and other members inside the group. You'll get training on how to set up wallets. You'll get training on centralized exchanges, on how to set up a centralized exchange, how to use a centralized exchange, how to send and receive cryptocurrency, how to exchange fiat currencies like your pounds, your dollars and your euros for cryptocurrency, connecting your bank account to a centralized exchange so that you can get your money in and out of your bank when you start to make profits, and how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. In the live training part 2, you're going to get risk and track management, DEX setup. A DEX is a decentralized exchange. How to use a DEX, LP tokens on a DEX, connecting your wallet to DEX, how to buy and sell crypto on DEX, and keeping your wallet safe. Then in part 3, you're going to know how to add networks to your wallets, how to add coins to your wallet, yield farming and staking. This is where you're going to build your real passive income that pays you day in and day out, week in, week out, month in, month out, year upon year. Absolutely mind-blowing what you can earn inside some of the sites that we're going to teach you on. DAOs, have you ever heard of DAOs? Decentralized autonomous organizations. Don't worry, we're going to show you how DAOs can change your life really. Launchpads and IDOs, how to use blockchain scanners. We're going to show you how to use a blockchain scanner. What is a blockchain scanner? Well, a blockchain is what Bitcoin runs on, Ethereum runs on, Tron runs on. They all run on different blockchains, and we're going to show you how to use those and how to identify transactions so you can keep a track of everything that's going on to do with blockchains. How to find smart contracts. What are smart contracts? You're going to be an expert in all of this stuff by the time you get to the end of our training program. How to identify real coins from scams. And then the live training part 4. Well, this training is ongoing. This is going to be ongoing all the time, keeping you up to date with all the new stuff that's coming into the marketplace. How to identify new coins with a potential of 10x, 100x, 1000x or more ROIs. Mind-blowing. Access to new DAOs that come out. Access to new yield farms and staking that comes out. How to identify new IDOs. Don't worry if you don't know what an IDO is. It's an initial DEX offering. We're going to train you on all that stuff as well. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Wanted to know about that? We're going to train you on that as well. There's a lot of money being made in the NFTs at the moment. Loan arbitrage. What is loan arbitrage? Well, you borrow some money from one site and they'll charge you, say, 9% a year, and you could take that same money, put it on another site, and earn interest of 12% a year. So you're earning money on money that's not yours. Absolutely mind-blowing. We're going to teach you that as well. Just to give you an example of a coin that I bought recently and sold the coin at $259. That's just over 700% ROI. Absolutely mind-blowing. We're going to train you how to earn 12% a year, 63% a year, 69,000% a year via yield farming and staking. So are you interested in getting access to my VIP training? If you are, give me a like and leave me a comment for info, and I'll send you some details on how you can get access to my live training. This training is like nothing else you'll find on the internet. Nobody is teaching you this stuff, and I'm going to take you step by step and show you what I'm doing and how I'm making thousands of dollars every single week doing all of this stuff. Leave me a like, give me a comment, and I'll send you some information of how you can get access to my VIP training. You have a great day. Bye now.